How to correct wrong bank account information on H&R Block. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today I'm going to talk about how can you correct your wrong bank account information on H&R Block. So if you have already provided incorrect bank information to H&R Block for direct deposit of your tax refund, you'll need to take action quickly to correct the mistake. First of all, reach out to H&R Block as soon as possible to inform them about the error. You can call their customer service hotline or visit a local H&R Block office to speak with the representative in person. Provide them with your correct bank account information. If you have filed your taxes already but realized the mistake afterwards, you need to update your bank account information with the IRS. You can do this by filling Form 8888 Allocation of Refund, including savings bond purchases, to split your refund or directly contact the IRS to update your account information. Depending on when you catch the mistake and how quickly you're able to rectify it, there may be delays in receiving your refund. The IRS typically takes some time to process changes to banking information, so it's essential to monitor your account and follow up if necessary. And finally, keep in touch with H&R Block. Monitor your tax filing status through the IRS Where is My Refund to track the progress of your refund and ensure that it's deposited into the correct account once the information is updated. By taking these simple steps promptly and staying proactive, you can correct the wrong bank account information provided to H&R Block and ensure a smooth processing of your tax refund. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.